right, if you're checking out this headlamp here from NEXTORCH, I want to answer some of the questions that you may have. The first one I'd like to let you know about is just how heavy is this? And this thing is actually pretty light. You can barely tell that it's even on. It's not going to give you like a heavy feeling on your head or anything like that. Another one is how easy is this to adjust? And it's very easy. All I have to do is slide it this way and it loosens it up, tighten it up just like that. It's really, really easy. Again, I do this and you can see it loosens it right up to tighten it. Just a quick little pull, super, super easy. Now, next question might be, how much distance do you get with this light? And you actually get 205 meters, which is about 672 feet. So quite the distance. All right, let me show you the 5 different light modes that it has. Very simple, it's just twisting right here. First, you have a spotlight, then you have a floodlight, then you can actually have a mix of the two. And if you twist the other direction, you can get this red light, which can be great at night, and also an SOS, which has that red light flashing. The next thing I want to show you is just how easy this is to use without even looking. You can simply just reach right up, turn that on. You're going to see right here the little knob, which is going to allow you to adjust the brightness of the light. It does come with 2 of these rechargeable batteries, or you can simply use 3 AAA batteries as well. And yes, you can comfortably wear this with even glasses on. You can easily wear it right over a baseball cap. And the cool thing about this one is it has a tilt on it, and you can tilt it up to 40 degrees. Whether you're going out for a walk, jog, biking at night, if you're going to be going camping, this would be great for going into caves and tunnels. All right, just to give you a little idea, my garage is completely dark right now. If I needed to work on my vehicle, I want to show you how much this actually illuminates this whole area. You can, again, adjust the brightness of it, get that turned all the way up, and this actually illuminates the vehicle even better than daylight. And again, if I wanted to just use a spotlight on one particular little area, I could do that. And if I wanted to get the broader light plus a little bit brighter in one area, the dual mode works great for that. And don't forget that this does adjust at a 40-degree angle, so you can put it right where you need it, and it works perfect. Well, I hope I was able to answer all of your questions about this NEXTORCH headlamp.